In this lesson, we'll learn about EC2 user data. It is possible to personalize our instance during the installation by using user data scripts. In reality, the process is quite easy. It's just executing commands when the instance gets installed. User data scripts are used to perform tasks such as installing updates, installing softwares, retrieving content from the internet. That is to say, most of the things that can come up to your mind. These scripts run on the instance with device from the root account. In this lab, we'll deploy our instance, making sure that a patch is installed on it and that our home page is personalized. The script that we will add on will run as we launch our instance for the first time. So first we'll go back to the console and resign our first instance. While this one is being resigned, we'll be able to launch a new instance. Obviously, we'll select the offers eligible with the free formula. We stay on the T2 micro. The parameters do not need to be modified. What really matters to us is the advanced detail section. So we'll go to the user data section. This is where we can add our script in the form of a text. I have already created a script. You must know that the first command is always the same and must be present. What we are about to do will enable the automatic activation of the commands that we have added one by one during the previous video. To do so, we add the following lines. Our server will be updated, our service will be installed and started, and a custom page will be added to our server. Once that's done, we can confirm. Storage and tags have to remain by default. Concerning the choice of the group, we select the one of my first instance in order to authorize the traffic on the port 80 and on the port 22. To verify that everything is working correctly, we launch, select the existing key and click on Display Instances. As you can see, our instance is now starting. Once it is launched, we can check that our script has worked. We will type in the public IP address of our server and we'll get the desired message with the same information as in the previous lesson. In the same way, we can check that our SSH connection is still functioning. To do this, we go back to Windows PowerShell. We then start an SSH connection to our new public IP. The connection is established. We can then display the contents of our HTML index file. The desired message then appears. That's it for the user data script. As we've seen, it allows the automatic installation and deployment task of our instance.